This video, I will share with you 5 small purchases under $50 that have improved my life massively in 2022. If you're new here, my name is Emmanuel, and in this channel, we embark on the journey of constant improving our lives through personal finance, tech, and productivity. So the first item on the list is this wallet by WXM that I bought on Amazon for about $30 to $40. And the main reason that I bought this new wallet is because I lost my previous one. And since I'm commonly known for losing my wallet all the time, now I purchased this one that has the feature of putting the Apple AirTag on. So now I can track it through my phone. Obviously, I'm still losing my wallet, but now I can track it. Another reason I bought it is because I can put a lot of cards on it. Right now I have like 4 or 5 cards, but you can put up to 15 cards on these, which is crazy. And also it has this clip on the back which you can put money, but in this case I have this card for my dog. And the third reason I bought this wallet is because it is minimalistic. The previous one I had, it was bulky, it was the leather one, which are pretty outdated, but this one is pretty cool because it doesn't weigh that much and I can put it in the front pocket or the back pocket. Second item on the list is this AirPods cleaner kit slash keyboard, which I can use the brush to clean my keyboard, and also for you, those of you guys that have mechanical keyboards, you can take out the keycaps, which is pretty nice. But the main reason I bought this one in particular, clean my AirPods because they get dirty, really dirty all the time. Because as a matter of fact, I produce a lot of earwax. Yes, I know it's kind of gross, but hey, it is what it is. So now I can clean my AirPods, the inside of them, the outside, and also the case. Third item on the list is this Anker wireless charging station. It's a 3-in-1 combo that you can charge your phone, your AirPods, and also your Apple Watch. I bought this on Amazon for $30, and it's pretty convenient because whenever I come from work, I can put everything to charge in one place. No more the hassles of just cables all around for each individual device. Everything is in one place. And if you like any other products shown in this video, click on the description below to get them, and I will receive a small commission on it that is much appreciated. The last two are subscriptions. One of them is Audible. And although I really enjoy to go through a physical book, highlight them, the smell of the new pages, and also write on them, and I don't always find the time or the energy to sit down and read one of them. So that's why Audible is great, because in those little pockets of time between the day, I can read slash listen to my favorite books while I'm driving, while I'm working, or doing my chores. The second subscription is YNAB. That stands for You Need a Budget. And if you guys don't know what it is, let me give you a quick summary of it. It is a budgeting tool that helps you track your finances by adding your bank account and your credit cards in order to either pay off debt or track your goals. I started using this tool in mid-2022 and it has been amazing. I've been able to track my income, track my expenses, keep me on top of my credit cards, and also I'm sure it's going to help me achieve my financial goals. I'm going to do a video about budget on YNAB and how I use it and everything in between. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, click here to see which is my favorite item and why. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.